This short video introduces the Customer Portal. The Customer Portal can be accessed from the top menu whenever a customer is signed into their account. This part of the application is under development. However, you can complete key tasks like reviewing your subscription or adding members to your main account or a specific team. This video shows you the features which are already available. The Customer Portal has two main sections. The first section is labelled Customer Portal. This is where you can access your main account settings, such as your subscription plan. The second section is labelled Team, and this is where you can access the settings for a specific team. The Enterprise license allows customers to have a number of teams linked to their main account. Teams can keep their survey and data separate while sharing certain resources like questions or images. This feature is useful for larger organisations. We will look at the Customer Portal settings first. Under Profile, you can edit the name of your account and change the default language and activate additional languages. You will need to select Edit and remember to save your changes. Subscription covers everything to do with your fee plan and payments. This is covered in a separate guidance note. Account Holders allows you to control access rights to the main account information. Be careful about adding members as account holders. In most instances, you will want to add members to a specific team rather than adding them as an account holder. However, it is good to have at least two people as account holders, including the person who will set up a payment method and will want to have access to your sales invoices. To add a new account holder, simply select Add Member and enter their email address and select the role you would like them to have. If the person doesn't already have an account on Accessible Surveys, they will receive an email with an invitation to join. On joining, they will automatically be granted the user rights that you have assigned them. Teams. This is where you can add or remove teams, and this depends on the terms of your subscription. Apps. This is where you can add or remove apps. This section is under development. The Customer app and the Survey app are provided by default. Authentication. This section is also under development. Danger Zone. This is where you can mark your account for deletion. The Teams menu has a number of settings, most of which I won't cover here. However, Team Members is where you can modify the ownership of a team and add or remove members. This is done in the same way as adding a new member to your account. However, users added as team members will only have access to your surveys and not to your main account settings. To add a new team member, simply go to Add Members, type in their email address, select the user role you want to grant them, and send the invite. They will then show up as pending invites, and when the invitation is received, they'll automatically be added to your team. I hope this gives you a good idea of what the Customer Portal offers. There are separate guidance notes on specific sections if you have further questions.